everything looks cool here. We'll do this carefully. There's a lot of little pieces here. Trying to, well, I always have trouble adding these spacers. Gotta be like, there's 2 rows of them. Gotta be in the right spot. Okay, looking okay. Okay, that one looks pretty good. I think we're pretty good there. Then we got to install these 4 guys here. Hopefully that's okay. And we're using these really tiny screws. These are my favorite. You can see, really tiny. And those are going to be in the 4 standard spots where we put the stuff. Hopefully I grabbed my correct screwdriver, as these are really tiny. Okay, looks okay. I think these are the nylon guys. Oh, sorry. Looks like it might be working. Yeah. Okay, one done. This is the hardest part for me. Seeing where everything's going. This is real tiny. Real tiny. I'm trying to sit down here and not get in the way of the camera. Try to show you the good stuff here. But I'm sure this is super easy for all you guys. All the Raspberry Pi people out there. Not that I don't have 50 of them. This should be straightforward. But it's been a little while. I haven't had to do these in a while. But, so far, so good. Excited for this new kit. Always something cool from Raspberry Pi. Just another platform to be doing fun stuff and bring it with you, hold it in your hands. Okay, we are down to one more big guy here. Let's keep it consistent. On my way, Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man. Got work to do here. We'll play you later. Okay, we got let's see here. This is what I want AI to do, man. Put together my Raspberry Pi. Okay, that looks pretty good. I have to keep an eye on that wire. Put that stuff on there. Okay, we got those parts on there. And the hardest part for me, we opened up these guys for the video. I'll get up there. This part is very specific. So we gotta make sure we're facing the right way. We should make sure that we're pointing it towards the USB guys here. Make sure we got it inward. Okay. Always have trouble with these guys. We're gonna see what we could do here.